Point 34 Heavy, 5 miles from Kobe, maintain 2,600 till establishment of the localizer cleared ILS runway 24 right approach.
Maintain 2,600 till established cleared ILS 24 right approach.
Traffic suffering, my apologies, I was not able to pass 1,000 for Clipper.
Alright, Tower 6 Alpha Lima, it's no problem. And leave my airspace LAX1 offline, radar services terminated, frequency change approved.
Income 1 successfully, thanks so much for the ATC. Have a good night, bye-bye.
Good, 1945, heavy 777 to depart the inboard prior to arrival, wind 250 to 25 left, clear to land, caution wake turbulence.
Clear to land, 125 left, United 1945.
Line 34 heavy, wind 25012, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 24 right, Hawaiian 34 heavy.
United 184 heavy, runway 25 right, line up and wait.
Runway 25 right, line up and wait, United 184 heavy.
American 118, radar contact, altitude.
We're at 1,000, American 118 heavy.
American 118, climb via SID.
Climb via SID, American 118.
American 184 heavy wind 25012, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
I'm assuming you meant United 184 heavy, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
Yep, that's United 184 heavy, sorry if I messed up the call sign. American 118, clear direct PV.
Clear direct PV, American 118.
United 184 heavy, radar contact to altitude.
United 184 heavy is passing 2,000.
184 heavy, climb maintain 11,000.
Climb maintain 11,000, United 184 heavy.
Yeah, 1945, welcome to LA, join hotel, hold short runway 25 right at Juliet.
Oh, short, runway 25, right at Juliet. 5.
Hawaiian 34 Heavy, welcome to LA, cross runway 24 left, left turn Echo, say parking.
24 left, left turn Echo. Terminal 6 for Hawaiian 34 Heavy.
Alright, Hawaiian 34 Heavy, you can take Echo Lima Bravo to parking today.
Echo Lima Bravo to parking for Hawaiian 34 Heavy.
United 184 Heavy, turn left heading 140.
Left 140, United 184 Heavy.
I find out Hawaiian 34 Heavy. So let's hit aircraft calling again. United 184 Heavy, climb maintain 13,000.
Climb maintain 13,000, United 184 Heavy.
United 1945, cross runway 25 right at Juliet, right turn Bravo to parking, good night.
Cross runway 25, right at Juliet, right turn Bravo to parking, United 1945. Good night, night.
United 184 Heavy, clear direct to Cariff.
Clear direct to Tariff, United 184 Heavy.
Good afternoon, Delta 2197 taxi, 24 right information, 24 left information, hotel.
Delta 2187, circuit departure, thanks for hotel, runway 24 left, taxi via Delta 10 Echo.
Delta 10 Echo to 24 left, Delta 2197.